It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys, who wants to talk about fall body care? I am actually going to rank 5 of they're not new, they're actually repackaged body care. I'm not putting together weather, not today weather, together weather in this ranking because I actually wanted to do, just wanted to do it as the repackages. So there's 5 of them, and there's another one coming. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin is going to be an online exclusive in fall traditions. I love the bottles on these, by the way. These are so pretty. They have the leaves, and the only thing I don't like is it's very hard to read the gold label. So if these are like across the room, you're not going to be able to read them. They are buy 3, get 3 right now. So is it a good deal? You know, if you really want fall body care. However, I personally would wait till maybe we have another body care sale where it's the fixed price. That's where you're really going to get your good deal. So, are you ready? I'm going to do 5 of them. In the number 5 spot, Ivory Cashmere. I know a lot of people love Ivory Cashmere. This is a me thing. Ivory Cashmere is fresh lakeside air, silver musk, and white amber. It's very fresh. It smells, to me, this smells a little bit Christmassy. I know a lot of people love this scent. It's just a little too fresh for me. It's strong though. This is a really strong one. And I know a lot of people are going to go, no, not Ivory Cashmere in the number 5 spot. It does smell good. It's just not my thing. Okay. Number 4 is Sweater Weather. I got to say, I love the blue. This one almost gets my top ranking for the color. This one is Suncrisp Apple, Autumn Leaves, and Orchard Woods. It's funny. I don't like Sweater Weather, and I don't not like it. It just doesn't really overly thrill me. Didn't I used to mix? Oh my gosh, I think I did a mashup last year. Did I mix Sweater Weather with Pumpkin Cupcake? I don't remember. I thought this was my favorite mashup. Oh yeah, there's something. This is so interesting, you guys. I usually don't do mashups, but I accidentally did a mashup last year. I think it was Sweater Weather and Pumpkin Cupcake. For some reason, and I don't know why, the Sweater Weather brings out the intense cupcake scent, which is unique. So try mixing these two together if you have a Pumpkin Cupcake. I think this is coming back, by the way, in fall 3. I thought I read that. So that smells really good now. Oh, I love that. You mix the two together. It's good. Okay. Number 3. Number 3 is Champagne Apple and Honey in the beautiful deep red. This one, you guys know this isn't my favorite. However, it does rank higher than Sweater Weather and Ivory Cashmere, and I don't know why. But it does. Isn't that funny? This one is Crisp Apple, Sparkling Champagne, Jasmine Woods, and Jasmine Honey and Autumn Woods. I'm like, Jasmine Woods. It's a little bit too floral apple to me, but you know what's interesting? I like it as a shower gel, and I like it as a cream. You know, it's funny. It's I just don't like spraying it on. I'll use it as a cream and a shower gel. Oh, and a scrub. I love it as a scrub. The scrub is amazing. I think did I order the scrub? I can't remember if I didn't order that day. No, I think I was upset about the shipping. I'll wait till the next body care sale. You know there's another one coming. But Champagne Apple and Honey is 3. Number 2, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. I love the deep orange. This is the one that's maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. You guys know how much I love my foodie scents. And for some reason, I have been wearing Pumpkin Pecan Waffles a lot this year. I'm spraying this everywhere. I love it in the shower gel. I wish we had this in a body butter because I would totally get this in the body butter. It smells exactly like Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. There's a lot of butter in it. It's just heavy. It's syrupy. And it's strong. So if you want a strong scent, I would go with the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles if you like the foodie stuff. And the number one, oh my gosh, can you even believe I'm doing number one is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte? This is the first time in a long time I've put this at number one. It is pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallow, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. I don't know why, but this one is just doing it for me this year. I've been using it a lot as a shower gel. It is so good to me this year. And you know what? If you mix it with the pumpkin pecan waffles, it gets a lot stronger. So this is another mashup I would try. It just gives it that like pumpkin pecan waffle marshmallow latte goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells so good. But yeah, I don't know. It's like literally this is the first time in I think 3 or 4 years that I've been really on board with Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. And it's funny because I've heard kind of mixed feelings about it for this year, but I don't know why. I'm totally digging it this year. So, like I said, these are all the Bath & Body Works repackages. These have been out before. Let me know your favorite. I'm just curious to see what everyone thinks about the fall repackages, but I think they're gorgeous this year. When you put them all together, like on your dresser, and then, of course, if you mix together weather in there, because that one's pink, they look really, really pretty. And then, of course, the other fall ones right now are the leaves, the Fall in Bloom Black Cherry Merlot. I still have to do some reviews on these. I also, I just can't get enough of leaves. I don't know why, because you wouldn't think I would, because I'm not crazy about the candle. I still love this one. This one is amazing. Leaves is my go-to. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.